Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to add Instagram video thumbnail. If you are using Instagram and you're trying to post a video on Instagram and you want to change thumbnail for your Instagram video, so let's see how can I do that. So very first, I recommend you have to try to update your app. So after updating, you have to simply open your Instagram here and just tap on this plus option in the top left and then select post to create a new post. Now you just have to select any video which you want to add. So let's say I'm going to add this one. Just select that. Then tap on this next option here. Then tap on next option again. After editing your video, you just have to tap on this edit cover here to add thumbnail. So just tap on edit cover and just select add from camera roll if you want to add thumbnail from your camera roll. Or you can also select any part of video from here. So I'm going to select add from camera roll and let's say I'm going to select this one here. Just select that, then tap on done, and here just tap on share. So once you have shared, your thumbnail of the video will be changed. So just wait for the video until it uploads. So here you can see that the video has been uploaded successfully. So just go back, and here's the video with the changed thumbnail. So let's open that. So in this way, you can easily add thumbnail to your Instagram video. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.